Everybody, and here's your weekly update for anybody who's visiting or thinking of visiting London. And it's Saturday the 21st of February, so it's a short update, and don't forget to stay on to the end for your super money saving tip. Okay, so it's Chinese New Year. It was Chinese New Year on the 17th, last Tuesday, but most of the festivities in London are occurring this weekend, in particular tomorrow, Sunday. So there's a big parade in central London. It's going to be around Trafalgar Square and Chinatown, which is very close to Trafalgar Square. And that's starting at about 10 a.m. Tomorrow if you want to get down there, and that's all free. If you want to go and see that, that'd be lovely. And make sure you have a nice Chinese meal as well. I certainly will be. It's February now, so London's quite quiet this time of year. So it's a good time to go and see lots of things in London. All the queues are quite short, and you can book into things. You might, for example, want to go and see Harry Potter's Warner Brothers experience, which is normally very busy and very booked out, but at this time of year you can probably get in at quite short notice and go and see that if you're interested in Harry Potter. Another thing that's going on at the moment is London's Fashion Week. And that's running from now until the 23rd of February, and that sort of involves pop-ups of fashion displays, and then there's events, and also there's a number of catwalks. I'll put a link down for that if you want to go and try and get involved in that. Something to bear in mind, there's a musical that's been going on for 5 years now in London. It's called Back to the Future, based on the very well-known films, and that finishes, the musical that's on in London, that finishes on the 12th of April. So if you want to go and see that, you need to get in there soon, and certainly get in there this week. Probably be able to get some tickets. Free tip now. So something that's absolutely free, therefore can't be better money saving than that, can it? It's the changing of the guarding at Buckingham Palace, and that happens every Monday, Wednesday and Friday mornings, but do check. I'll put a link in for that as well, because sometimes they have changes, particularly if the weather's particularly bad. And that starts from about 10:30 a.m. And you have all the sort of the pageantry of the United Kingdom around Buckingham Palace, and the guards usually in their big red uniforms and their bearskin hats. They change the guard, and they have a band as well that goes along with it. Okay, so I think that wraps up everything for this week. Hope you found that information useful, and if you do find this information useful, then don't forget don't forget to subscribe and like, and looking forward to seeing you next week. You take care now. Bye bye.